Hey guys, I'm in shock right now because I just found a Firebird with like 1,300 miles on it, and it's never been taken out of the garage. It's incredible. Look at this car. I had to open up the hood. Look at that. Just pristine. What do you guys think about this bad boy? Drop top. It's literally never seen outside. 1,300 miles. And if I get really close in the paint, you can tell, you can see my shadow. That's about it. Let me know what you think, guys. This is a cool car. I'll be at the grand opening tomorrow. Like I said, 1,300 miles. It is perfect.